Claude Opus 4.7 just dropped a few hours ago. Let's look at some of the highlights directly. It is better at following instructions. For those of you that have given it a lot of big long prompts across several skills, or maybe you were creating the skill at the time, it started to skip stuff, it started to assume things, hallucinate in between, and just skip certain steps. And this is really something that I think has improved. I've noticed that this has become significantly better just by using it today. I think one really cool thing is this image resolution to 2500 pixels. I hope you were using flows where it used screenshots to automatically check its work. You'll realize that this is now so much better that it can actually dig into the smaller numbers and really figure out what's working and what's not, versus before it was just kind of guessing. And there it would again hallucinate. For example, if you gave it an example website and you said, hey, I want you to do it exactly the same as this website, and then it would go around and make screenshots. These are now so much better. It also comes with this new feature called Ultra View, which specifically should be used for coding tasks, where it will spin off a bunch of different agents to look for security, UI, UX, and different parts of the app or the code that you have available. However, you could also use Ultra View to look at projects like landing pages and dashboards and whatever you want for your client specifically. It is notably to note that it is now using more tokens as well. Again, especially if you're going to use the max thinking capability. I think one of the coolest features that now different models can call other models. You can have a workflow designed in Sonnet, and it will then automatically call the Opus model if it doesn't know how to do something or if it gets caught up, and it will call that one for help and then solve the problem and then continue on using Sonnet. That might be really interesting to try out as well as they call the other models.